This video will show you how to search for a Team Nutrition school, how to download a Team Nutrition school certificate, how to update the information on the Team Nutrition school enrollment form, and how to close a school. Let's first start with how you can search for an existing Team Nutrition school. There are several ways for you to search for a school. You can click on the link Find Your School on the main navigator, or on the Access button, Find a Team Nutrition School. You can also perform a search using the main search bar in the hero image. On the search page, you can find a school by typing its name, the school district, the city, state, and/or a zip code, and click on Search to see the results. School name, district, and city are autocomplete text boxes that enable you to quickly find and select from a pre-populated list of names as you type. In our example, we're looking for the school Orrin M. Roberts Elementary School. By typing OR in the school name text box, a list of different values is displayed and we can select the school we are looking for. Clicking on Search will display the search results. The search results show the school name, its address, and a button to view or update the school. The name of the school allows you to view the school page as well. If no school is found under your search criteria, you can try removing filters or check if the spelling is correct, or try searching a single word and avoid using abbreviations. If your school is not listed, click on the Join Team Nutrition Schools button to sign up your school. To reset the search, click the Reset button. You'll be redirected to the empty search page. Now let's see how to download a Team Nutrition Certificate of Enrollment. Once you completed a search and find your school, you need to click on the View Update button or on the name of the school. You will be redirected to the school enrollment form page on the View tab. At the bottom of the form, there is a section named Team Nutrition Certificate with a link to download the certificate. When you click on the link, a new window opens up and a certificate is displayed. The certificate has the name of the school and the date of enrollment. Here is an example of how the certificate looks. Next, we'll see how to update the information on the Team Nutrition school enrollment form. To update your school information, you can click on the button Update Your Information in the home page or go to the Update tab in the enrollment form found in the search page. You will be redirected to the search page so you can look for your school, enter your school information, and click on Search as previously shown. Once you have found your school in the search result list, you need to click on the name of the school or on the button View Update. In our example, we are updating information for Poca High School. On the school page, you can review the information on the form. You can also go back by clicking on the button Back to the search page at the bottom of the form. To update the information, click on the Update School tab. In our example, we are updating the Meals Program section and the Staff Contact Information section. When you finish updating the form, please make sure to review the information you provided before submitting it and then click on the button Update. A submission confirmation message is displayed and an email will be sent to the email addresses for the Team Nutrition Leader, School Principal, Cafeteria Manager, and Wellness Coordinator that you provided. The email will confirm that the application has been updated and will be reviewed within 10 business days. If required information is missing, the system will display an error message with the fields that need to be reviewed. And now, let's see how to close a Team Nutrition school. To close your school, you need to click on the Close School tab right next to the Update tab after taking the same steps as previously shown to update the school information. Check the box Close, add the closing date, and the note to explain the reason for school closing, and then click on Submit. A submission confirmation message is displayed, and an email will be sent out to the email addresses for the Team Nutrition Leader, School Principal, Cafeteria Manager, and Wellness Coordinator that you provided. The email will confirm that the application has been updated and will be reviewed within 10 business days. If you need additional assistance, please email us at teamnutrition@usda.gov.